Ay Hoganet Cove. In the beginning I enjoyed your vast variety, and it helped me find a place in our society. For I've learned to use your ever-changing beat to cope with ever-changing people I would meet. You saw me through so many years of trouble, sometimes at half speed, sometimes even at double, till I've learned to join each necessary move with your ever-changing, everlasting groove. The whole life of a folk you filled with joy. Sometimes you were my tool and many times my toy, till I've learned from all your harmonies that love, like yourself, is a gift from up above.